sunrise. It's not too windy, but the tide is super low. We're not seeing a whole lot of swell. There's a little something over there, but it closes out super quickly. See that? We're gonna try regardless because the sun's out. We got Nobu here. We're scared to get stingrays still. Keep our eye out. Possibly something right there. It's beautiful this morning though. Look at the sun. We're just super nervous about the stingrays because it's so low tide and we have a long way to walk to get to where the waves are actually breaking. Too shallow to paddle. Too many stingrays to walk. Surfer's dilemma. There's this weird film in the water today. It's kind of concerning. See that? Not sure what that junk is. There's nowhere to go. Oh! I was too eager to pop up. Today's kind of sad because the sun's out early, which never happens. The winds are low, which is rare. We got really good parking, but there's just not that many waves. The tide's so low. I might get this guy here. It is disgusting up here. Oh man, I don't know. And he's up. Closed on him. Woo! Oh, it's such a beautiful morning. Got the Torrey Pines cliffs there, partially in the shade. Sun is out, only partially cloudy, but the tide is so low. It was at low tide was at 7:30 and we're just still waiting for it to fill out so we can get some bigger and longer waves. I got smacked in the back of the head by that wave. That didn't feel good. The good news is the size is coming in now. The duration of the wave is still pretty short, but it's a more thrilling drop at least. Those last couple waves were rights, so I had to pop up on the heel side, which was previously tricky for me, but Nobu gave me a tip to offset my hands, you know, facing the way I want to go. And it helped tremendously. I mean, I always fall popping up on the rights, and those two in a row, again, short waves because of the conditions today, but that advice was killer. I can't wait to try that on a bigger day. when I have a little more time to actually ride. Nobu! There's a ton of big fish jumping.
What's there?
A ton of big fish jumping. It's a frenzy.
Great.
If you sit up, you'll see them all.
Oh yeah. Sit down for great white.
Just the juveniles though. Oh, only 9-footers. Yeah, yeah. Oh crap! Oh. Woo. There goes Nobu. Attaboy. Woo! I lost my camera and now I'm a little, well, I found it obviously, but now I'm a little nervous to throw it back on the nose. Not that I won't find it, but it's a lot of energy paddling in, getting it, paddling back out. And the mental stress of, is that it? Nope. Is that it? Nope. I'm gonna do a couple POV shots. Maybe I'll get the confidence to throw it on the nose of the board again in a second here. The waves are coming in finally, and the sun's out. It's getting fun. Oh crap. Water's super gross right here. I gotta get out of this. You see that? Brown. Nice and blue up here. Salvation. Huh? I'm gonna give Nobu's shortboard a try. How long is it again? That's my height. All right, here we go.